Hey everybody, welcome to the stage here at Holmdel High School. It is Wednesday, February 17th, and I'm going to take the time here after school to give you a little sneak peek, not at rehearsal though, at some of what the crew has been doing. So let's turn the camera. They have been very busy lately creating the world of The Little Mermaid for us. Yesterday they were doing some paint calls, working on the palace here. Looks peach in the camera, but this is actually a really great shade of pink. Be fun to see what that looks like under the lights once we get the show up. And I think the idea with this is to make the entire stage part of the palace. So we'll have this going across most of the length of the stage to create that world on land. But of course, most of this show takes place under the sea. We've got these platforms that we're going to utilize. We've got 4 of them. There are 3 right here. There's another small one over here to my right that's not painted. These all came out of our storage. They're being reused. And we're going to put some flats on them, face them a little bit, and wheels so that we can turn these around and move them around, make different looks on stage, different locations, all with just pushing a couple platforms around, which is kind of fun. And of course, we'll add a little set dressing. You can see some things here like this coral that was made out of foam insulation. This is the spray foam that you might put in the walls. So a little decoration there that painted it. Took the paint really nicely, which is great. Those are going to look fun. I might ask them to make more of those. Got a couple props over here. So like a spyglass, a cup. Love this treasure chest and this mirror too. Kind of fun. Ship's wheel, right? These flats to the back here are the stone walls to Ariel's grotto. This is the place where she'll keep all of her human stuff. So we'll have some shelves maybe for that. It's going to be neat. I can never avoid that joke. I love this flat, and I cannot wait to see what this is going to look like when it's finished. But this is the beach scene. It's where Ariel comes up on shore to spend some time looking around. This also would be where she's found when she gets her legs, and where Eric gets washed ashore in the storm. I love the detail on this too. It looks great, and that detailing in the sand is going to look good under the lights too. Another part of that flat back there. And then over here is our much anticipated lumber. This was delivered yesterday. I've got a couple of plexiglass shields there that are not ours, but that's all right. The crew's gonna come in this weekend and continue building the set with a lot of this wood. This is mostly for flats for the palace, I believe, and then the facing for all of the different platforms. So a lot of stuff goes on here. I've been showing you mostly rehearsals, but obviously there's more to do when you're putting a show together, especially one this size. And it's a lot of fun to see what the crew comes up with, and how this is all going to come together when we put the actors and the music, scenery, the lights, the sound, put it all together. Always a lot of fun. That collaborative work is really what I enjoy about this, and seeing the students have so much fun and putting so much effort and pride into their work. So it's great for us to see. We can't wait to share it with you. So please check back again for another rehearsal sneak peek, and for information soon too about our performances. In the meantime, be well, and we will see you back here in the theater soon.